Welcome back to another cooking video, guys. Today we're cooking Sunday dinner, so watch me as I prepare this one. This one is a silent cooking video, so watch to the end, like the video, share, and do subscribe for more. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. For those coming for the first time, welcome. I'm just giving you a run through of the main ingredients for this dish. So we're preparing some stew beef, and we're just going to wash this, season well, and put to marinate for a bit. And we're going to use some fish fillet as well, and of course our rice and peas. So watch to the end, guys, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. And to my new supporters coming on board, thank you guys so much. But please tap the notification bell. In that way, you'll know when I post a new video. So watch the end, guys, again, and like the video, share, and drop me a comment below. So watch me as I prepare this one, guys. And here you have it, guys. Everything prepared and ready to serve. And this is my finished dish. I did some salad off camera along with some corn. So this is what I serve with my stew beef and my fried fish. Dinner was very delicious. And I know if you try this one, you will enjoy it as well. And don't forget our fruit juice. This is a refreshing combination. So do try this one out and come back and tell me how it goes for you. So this is my complete dinner. So please like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't as yet, and put your notification bell on. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.